Welcome to US Spacewalk 92. EV1 egresses and receives a large strut bag. EV2 egresses with a rate gyro assembly bag. EV1 then translates port on S0 and temp stows the strut bag. EV2 then translates port and over the truss to the aft side of S0. Once at the worksite, EV2 peels back a thermal shroud, stows the bag, and releases 2 bolts on the aft side of the box. Meanwhile, EV1 relocates a foot restraint and then ingresses the truss and releases 2 remaining bolts. The crew released the degraded box and reinstalled the new rate gyro assembly. EV1 egresses the truss and retrieves the strut bag and translates to P4 to stow the bag. EV1 then retrieves a foot restraint for EV2 and temp stows it near the worksite. EV2 cleans up the S0 worksite and temp stows the degraded rate gyro assembly. EV2 then picks up a foot restraint extender and installs it in the P4 worksite, and then installs the foot restraint. EV1 builds the upper triangle of the structure that will hold the new solar arrays. Once EV2 ingresses the foot restraint, EV1 passes up the upper triangle with cables to be installed. The crew reconfigure the foot restraint for the next position. EV1 passes up the mid strut and the crew install the lower right strut. Next, they work together to install the right mid strut. EV1 passes up the 2 left struts and then repositions EV2 on the left side. They install the left lower strut, and then they install the left mid strut. EV2 egresses the foot restraint and stows tools and empty strut bag in the cable bag. Meanwhile, EV1 drives final torque on the collar bolts on the left and right mid struts. Both crew work together to install thermal covers and route cables on both sides of the mod cable. EV2 returns to the airlock with the cable bag. EV1 first stows the foot restraint and extender and then retrieves the degraded RGA bag and takes it to the airlock. And that concludes US Spacewalk 92.